welcome back to Jay's Strategies, where we talk about the latest and greatest crypto news and much, much more. Join us for tonight's crypto talking, crypto wrap up, and crypto party time. Alright guys, we're popped over here on the chart. Let me just go over here and drop this and let our peeps know. Live. No. A shout out. Okay. Same channel. Okay. We got you guys rocking and we got everybody settling in. Team's all set. So I can pull this and I'm going to drop a shout out. Also, and we're going to talk crypto and we're going to run through this Crypto Madness, Crypto Party, Pump of the Weekend, rocking out. And you already know what time it is. You already know what it is. I just did a video for a bullish project that just launched. Go ahead and check that out. It's mad bullish. It's an awesome video. We had fun. We had fun in the TG chat. Okay? And if it continues, we will be live again tomorrow and I'll do something else and we'll actually do something fun at the end of the video or in the middle, and we'll do one of Jay's famous duck races. Mad love and respect. I got your guys' DMs on Twitter, so I will be hitting you guys up. I just got to going through all those messages. Hey man, you know how it is. It's like so many different messages. I got to go through the spam to find the right people. So I'll get you guys squared away on that last one. Mad love and respect for coming back and checking out and chilling, because you know what it is. You know how we do our charts. We already know what is coming, what the sessions are bringing, and how it's going to rock out. Let's get started. Today's overall cryptocurrency market cap is at 1,025,000,025. 24-hour volume at 89 billion. BTC dominance at 38.9%. ETH dominance at 19.3%. Wow, ETH dominance moved up a bit. Bitcoin at 20,781. 24 hours up 0.13. 7 days up 8.2. Ethereum at 1,622. 24 hours 2.1%. 1 week, yeah, 23% in that week. Wow, so that's definitely bullish for the Ethereum side. I'm going to check some trades on that, so you already know in the private groups we'll rock out and talk about that, like our scalp trades and the scalp trades you've seen in our last videos. We're going to start building up a nice little group, and I'm going to show and teach you guys, because I'm going to need some right hand mans inside some new groups that we're going to teach people how to make money, earn, and have financial freedom. Alright, you got money in the bank. Is it paying you? Is that interest rate, that 0.02, is that giving you anything? No. You hold a stable coin and you know how to do it right and properly, and you could be taught and taught. You already know what it is. Companies also taking your marketing funds and utilizing it and not spending it down, and then utilizing the income just the way that dividends come in from the stock market. Because before I got big into crypto, I was big into the stock market, and then that's when I had the other channel, and we were doing stocks. So we were doing stocks and options and all that, and we were utilizing. Look at this, BNB, 13%, 13.8 in a week, 1% just right now, bullish, over 300, it's at 308. That's what I wanted to see. I wanted to see that BNB over that 300 mark. And as you already know, and the guys that have been following me already know that when we dip below that 300, I say, okay, let's go on the 1 hour, on the 4 hour. When we're below the 50 EMA, those are the times to accumulate. So there you go, guys. If you listened and you did it, congrats, because now you're popping up and you are bullish, okay? So we were buying in, down when we were waking out. We're going back to the chart and we'll talk about that. Look at that USD coin. Actually, US Tether right now, okay, 69 billion market cap, 67 billion in volume. Almost 70 billion market cap. So people are starting to put a lot of money on the side waiting to jump on some of these bullish options. There's some big names out there that are linking up with the markets, and I'll drop you some hints. Just like Avalanche is going to end up moving up, and you're going to see it. They partnered up with Final Fantasy, which, hey, what do they have in store? Elon now on Twitter. Dogecoin popping, Dogecoin pumping, and it's pumping just on the thought, okay? And nothing has come out yet, so this is the FOMO of the Doge. Don't get caught in the FOMO. You guys already know we buy when we're below the 50 EMAs. When we're above, we know that that's popped up and we're going to pull back at some point, and then we could be at a loss. So just go ahead, follow the advice, and don't follow your emotions. USD coin, look at that, 43 billion market cap, 4 billion in volume, 4.6. That's some nice volume in the USD coin. Binance USD coin, look at 21 billion, and that's 7.9, so almost 8 billion in volume. So they're seeing some really, really high volumes, okay? And these, are moving up, so we see some double-digit percentages in a week, okay? And then we see more stable coin we see more stablecoin market cap. So there's more money on the side ready to buy in. We're now over that 1 trillion mark, okay? And Bitcoin's almost back over that 400 billion mark. So that'll be an excellent thing, because those times that we remember, Bitcoin 1 trillion market cap. So we could see something like that coming. But you always got to remember that the marketplace, it's a marketplace. You got to have somebody that wants to sell in order for you to buy. And for you to sell, you got to have someone to buy. Okay? The market makers utilize their algorithms on their trading platforms. And we talk about that. And I'll show you the charts. And I give you a brief thing about the hybrid system and how it's utilized during the sessions when the money's moved and their moves are set. They come up at their times and they set which their moves are, and they already know for the day. And then that's when this comes in handy. This is our book map. I'm going to be bringing that out more and talking about that and showing you this so you guys can utilize this and learn on shorter time frames, okay, how to do short time frame quick trades, and or you could do longer term trades. But I'm starting to really like the shorter time frames, okay, 5-minute charts and quick 1-minute chart, 3-minute charts, and utilizing when we pull away from those moving averages and watching where the orders are, so you can utilize and see, darker the color, more orders, more, and you can stick with us. And then as you can see, look at that, right at 21,050. Look at that, 333 Bitcoin, ready orders up there. So they are already predicting where they want it to go when it pops up to 21K. So can it happen this weekend? Is this going to be the weekend that happens? So we will see. Okay? Sunday, October 30th. Okay? Just turning in the United States. Alright, the Asian markets are going to be opening as tomorrow. And this day here today, let's see what kind of volume. Actually, the volume, yeah. So a lot of volume for a weekend, because remember last weekend it was only like 50 billion in volume, so it's definitely bullish and moving. Dogecoin, 13 cents, sitting right there. Look at that, 123%, 54% in 24 hours, and 3% just right now at 13 cents. So we're going to look at that chart and we're going to take advantage of that, because I'm going to be able to catch some scalp real quick, and I'm actually going to show you guys what kind of scalp I'm going to do with Doge. Alright, Cardano at 41 cents, 18% in 7 days, 2.5 in 24 hours. Solano, 32.96, okay, 0.3, and then 16% 7 days, okay. Dogecoin, 16.9 billion, okay. Market cap, 13 billion in volume, insane, alright. Solano has 1 billion in volume right there. Shiba Inu, 2.3 billion in volume and a 7.1 market cap. 32% in 7 days, 13% in 24 hours on this, which was Saturday, okay? Tron was sitting right there, actually. Tron even made a 4% move, you know, and almost hitting back to the 6 billion. But, you know, volume there has been low. Let's actually look. There, Avalanche. Okay. 16.5 in a week. But it's actually down 1.8 right now on the 24 hour. So we're going to look at the chart to see if that's an advantage for a trade. 5.4 billion, almost 300 million in volume. So the more news that comes out and the different things that are going to utilize that blockchain, there's been a lot of talk about that. Next, what we want to talk about is Polygon at 93 cents, 12% in 24 hours down 12% in 7 days, 1.3 down in 24 hours. Market cap is 8.1 bill and 383 mil in volume. So Polygon has a lot of stuff that they're going to end up releasing and building products behind. So that's going to end up generating volume, and then people are going to be holding store value because of the volume and the different products that are going to be running on this layer, which is Polygon. Polkadot has a lot of different things that they put on their roadmap and have different technology officers that are going to be working on some stuff with staking, high APR. So let's see what we rock out with that. That's up 13% in that past week. Shiba Inu up 32%, 7.1 bill market cap. DAI right here, okay, sitting at 6.2 bill market cap, 285. So that actually has some movement. I'm going to go actually down a little bit more. And Litecoin up 8% in the week at $56, 4 billion market cap. ETC at $25 in the past week, up 10.5, 3.5 billion, then almost 559 million market. And volume, 56 million in volume on FTT, Finex token. Yeah, and that's still up 13%. Let me go down even more. Look at these. Everybody's having a pump. You know what I'm saying? So the crypto market is out there. There's commercials all over the place, and you guys already know. Guys, stop by Twitter, hit it up, go ahead, drop some of your gems so I can see them. I'll stop by the Telegram groups, rock out just like I did. If you look on my YouTube, which I'm going to show you, we're going to pop over here. I did a video for T-Woj. And if you pop over here real quick, okay. Alright. T-Woj. Okay, so out of one of the wallets, I did a couple of little buys. Pump the chart, but you can see this is on a 5-minute time frame, and it's hitting right here with the support, but it topped 2 all-time highs during our video and when I came into the chat, and we're gonna rock out. I just wanted to do a shout out for them. I'm actually going to pull this over here. Alright. And I'll pull the chat over and shout out now live on YouTube. Alright, yeah, mad love. Okay. And you can see the pinned video. Alright. Alright. So they got it pumping, they got it moving. Also live in the Telegram feed right now, so the guys are actually listening on in, and that is something definitely that is bullish that I could do for that project. Okay. And alright, yeah, so go ahead, hop into the chat, go watch the video, check it out, and you'll see and you'll know why. Bullish chat, bullish moves, and been rocking out. So take it, always make sure you do your own research, and talk in the chat, get active, rock out, pop in the VC. If you're in the VC, any questions and you see me, I can rock out and help you. They got their team. Hey, you never know. I might go a little further with them, but let's take this latest and greatest. Hit it. Go hit those comments. Mad love and respect for you guys. Okay? Chart. That's on the 5. 1.6 mil. Let me go to the 1 hour. Okay? And as you can see, it's been tapping some all-time highs, and this is actually bullish at this point right here. And they have some different calls and partnership stuff coming out, so keep your eye on that. Alright, cryptocurrency market prices. Okay, we talked about that. Now we're gonna get into the charts, okay, with you guys. I am gonna pop into my 1 hour because that's what I'm gonna do with the Bitcoin, just so I can just talk about that. Look, the RSI. Okay, we're a little bit below the main line on RSI, so I'm watching that. Okay, on the 1 hour, I was actually thinking of a possible retrace on the 1 hour to the 50 EMA, which is 20K 680. So there was a lot of stuff sitting at 20K 680, yeah, 20K, which is right here, and that's what I was just telling you that, and it's on the book map. So you see bids at 720, 650, 780. They actually moved that down closer a little bit, so you see these lines, they moved. So, and then these blue lines, okay, so it's positive delta right now, filling the shorter time frames, which is actually pretty damn good for Bitcoin overall. I'm going to show you the next charts for Bitcoin, and then these are the shorter time frame on the book map, and then as we can see, and then let me go ahead and show you. Look at that at 21.4. Okay, there's a lot of sell buy orders, and then there's 201 Bitcoin sitting at 19,000. And then at 18,277, and then at 15,000. So at these lower numbers, there's a lot because people think they might have a wick out or a capitulation happen. So we'll see if that is. Be set, be ready, okay? And I'll tell you what it is. All right, let's go ahead and hit this, and you can see where we're at. Okay, so this was the New York session. After that ended, we pumped, kept pulled up, okay? We had our vector candle. We had another one. We retraced, which is good because we retraced and bounced. Continued, pull back, and then now we are sitting right here, which is awesome. On the 4 hour, okay, you can see that we're pretty far away from the 50 EMA. We're near M2 pivot zone, which is right here. So I'm expecting it to hit that, 20,680, and that's why you see all those orders in there, because the market makers are, they already know what it is. M0, because that's where the 50 EMA is 20,160, or we'll say 170, okay? And then a yesterday high, 21K 80, so 21,080. All right, and M5 extension at 21,400. That's why you saw those orders. But you can see that the RSI is pretty high extended. It's about to cross over and pull down a little bit. That's why I was telling you on the 1 hour we're probably going to tap that time frame. Let's go to the daily. On the daily, okay, we broke out of that wedge finally right there, okay, after we hit it, which is definitely a big sign, because we were inside that wedge building pressure. We broke out above it, okay. You see that the RSI is up here. What I'm waiting for or to expect is a retrace, a little bit, and at some point hitting the moving averages and then bouncing and continuing to the upside, creating a higher low. Okay, so we're into this new candle here, we're hitting it, okay, and then you can see actually, let's see what point. Okay, so this vector candle right here at 21.5, yes, that's 21.4, so we're pretty much here. And let me just pull this down. We're gonna hit a lot at the 22.8, and then also 22.4. So expect that resistance, and then expect at 21.3 and 21.2 hit resistance. Pay attention to your RSIs and your moving averages, and you will be good to rock out. And then we're just going to pop over real quick. Daily for Ethereum is definitely bullish. It's heading back up to the 200 EMA, which you want to see that start to swing and start to turn back up to pass over the 800 EMA, which is definitely bullish. But you can see right now the RSI is overextended, so it does have to pull itself back a little bit on the other time frames. Binance BNB hit over that 300. Hit over that 300 mark, which is awesome. On the daily, it's now at that 200. So we can actually sit and ride that 200. Okay? We can sit, we can ride that 200 all the way to we can sit and ride that 200 moving average all the way to I was just having some sound issues. Okay, so yeah, Binance has been having a lot of bullish stuff happen lately to it. So on the daily, if we stay above this 200 moving average and we retest it and then hit it and then reclaim, BNB all-time highs that they were hitting was at 600, the 600 at 600. So you know that we work a lot with BNB and Binance and all the bullish projects out there. So mad love and respect for all of that and all of your work, guys. You guys kill it. You guys kill it out there. Okay. Binance on the daily. Okay, Binance on the daily, and then the RSI right here, up, popped up a little bit overextended, and yeah, okay. So and then XRP at 46 cents, and then on the daily, you can see that we've been riding this 200 EMA. We've been coming up above it. I want to see us come up above it, but it kind of looks like we're gonna ride 250, 48 right there, and well, that's, yeah, 44.8, so 46, so that's a possibility because of the wicks. All right, but if I do see a pop above this 200 again, let me go, I'll go actually down to the 1 hour on XRP so I can actually see what's going on here. Okay, so yeah, the 200 on XRP on the 1 hour, so we're right below the 50, okay, and it looks like we're tapping that, and then the 800 is right here at the 45. So if we go below the 200, the 800's right there, because we have some vector candles to grab, but hey, we bounced, then we want to hit here, go back above the 50 EMA on the 1 hour, and then hit it with a retrace. Alright. Oh, overall, let's go ahead and just show you guys. Let's see. Overall, okay, oil, the price of oil right now, okay. And then I'm going to do on the daily time frames. Alright. The price of oil right now. Okay, so yeah, it came down and then it settled and then it popped back up. Okay, so yeah, we want to see the price of oil and the structures and what they're going to be doing around that because of all the tensions happening all over the place. And then actually, let's go ahead real quick and see where our main Fed is. US, where are we? Okay, US, GBT, Amazon, Apple, okay, and then Tesla. Let's take a look at Tesla. Tesla had a little bit of an upturn, okay, and then the SPX, Apple, bullish. So, some of the tech stocks are starting to have some, upturn bullish movements on them, and that's what we want to see overall. And then the S&P right here at 389, okay, definitely some bullish moves. And yeah, man, we want to head right back, and slow moves, but you can see that we had a big, pump, and this is causing us into the weekend, okay. And then I can show you real quick over here. Okay, Dogecoin, popular meme coin rallies. Elon Musk, Doge soars as he buys Twitter. Wall Street crypto adoption accelerates. Crypto exchange on Binance. Crypto investors to help Twitter. Alright, how to earn passive income. Oh wow, yeah, Bitcoin whales. And Let's see, crypto news. I want to see what the latest is. Let me go to all 17. Let's see what the latest is. 1 day ago, 2 days ago. Let me go like this. Bitcoin news. Top stories 9 hours ago. Let's see. Bitcoin are holding at 20K. Dogecoin soars as Elon Musk. Bitcoin news. Bitcoin is the world premiere. Okay, so there's just a bunch of different things going on. Let me go to real quick. Coin Telegraph. Alright. And let's just pop over here real quick and just read off what we got going on. And then I'm going to let you guys go. But let's see what you hear. Metric warns of 21K profit taking as decade-old Bitcoin wakes up. Okay. Hits new 6-week high as Ethereum liquidates more than 22. Okay. Okay. Bitcoin price broke out this week, but has the trend changed? Zuckerberg, we talked about that. And so that's pretty much, 15 and 17 hours ago. Let's see. Bitcoin is getting certain data shows profit taking. Okay, so they're scared about profit taking. Their wallet for 7 actives reached a 1-month high in October. Holders changing their behavior for long term. So, there's been a lot of movement and, been a lot of rocking out and chilling out there. So, yes, guys, always stay safe. Always be out there. Mad love and respect to you guys. And as always,